Hey YouTube, what's up? Alright, today we're doing two things. First, we're going to probably my favorite place in the town, the Plaza Mercado. And secondly, we're testing out my GoPro Max Lens mod. Alright, so yeah, if we're ever on the west coast of the island, this is definitely a great place to come. It's basically a farmer's market. You can get fruits and vegetables, all that good stuff. Artisanal stuff, lots of homemade baked goods, all that. Yeah, I'm coming a little late in the day, so I'm not sure what'll be left. This is one of those places you got to get up early and go to, but I had a minute, so yeah, this is wide.
Mira, y la amiga tuya, ¿qué le pasó?
Tenemos plantitas medicinales ornamentales, tenemos la pascuita. Se acerca la Navidad ya.
¿Verdad que sí? Ya mismo. Buena. Repite.
Tiene coco frío, mami frío y agua fría.
Ah, estoy bien ahora, pero. El queso blanco. El queso blanco, ¿a cuánto está?
A 5 pesos el queso.
Ah,
Bueno,
dame uno. Got me some Puerto Rican cheese.
amigo, no puede grabar.
Huh?
No puede grabar.
Oh, okay. Oh, perdón. Oh, hey.
Hola joven, ¿cómo tú estás?
Bien.
Aquí en la Breaking Company me quedan 40 minutos para irme porque yo siempre voy hasta las 3 soy yo siempre. Y todo a dólar, mira, este coco blanco.
Ah, those are cute. I'm trying to find canepas, but I don't think I'm gonna get lucky.
muchacho. Tengo café.
Cookie people.
Mira, si tienes cuidado.
Hace entrenamiento al aire. Contamos con técnicos para reparación y mantenimiento. Para más información,
Oh man, I don't think the cookie people are here.
787-485-32.
This device is ready to pair. Bluetooth mode.
Está buenísima. Yo he escuchado muy buenísimos reviews de ella. Yo vi un montón. No, que acá abajo donde pone el pulque tienen unas carteras. Bien rico. Está guachado. Ah, guau.
Oh, Aw. Hey, buddy.
¿Qué es tu vida?
Hey, you. You're friendly.
Entonces tengo otro.
Ooh, you're pretty. Little rabbits. Ugh. Oh, God.
Y este que está por acá.
Hello. Yeah, I came late in the day. I guess that's it. Couldn't find my canepas and I couldn't find the big chocolate chip cookies. But, oh well. Should have came early. Anyway, that's the Plaza Mercado in San Sebastián, Puerto Rico. Alright. Here's another cool thing you see in Puerto Rico. Totally random. So I'm at the farmer's market and there is a cow just grazing. He's just over there enjoying his day, or a bull, excuse me. I don't know if he's here for market or one of the farmers just got him here in the meantime. Kind of hard telling. Yeah, I'm just gonna walk back to the car. Pretty good parking lot. Little view. Yep. Well, even though I didn't find the two things I was looking for, I managed to pick up some homemade cheese and some almond candies that they make. The guy I got it from, he's probably one of the guys that makes it the best. He's hard to find. I'm surprised he was here today. Normally he's sold out by like 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. But thankfully I found him. So, really good guy, makes some really good candies. Yeah, if you're in San Sebastian, Puerto Rico, and kind of just want a nice place to walk around, get some fruits, maybe some artisanal stuff to take home, yeah, it's definitely the place. It's usually I believe it's Friday morning from about, I want to say about 6 or 7 or something, probably to about 5 or 6 in the evening. So yeah, this is a walk. Yeah, so definitely check it out. Hey chicken, what you eating? You eating empanadillas? There's the random ass chicken.